Hi, I'm Chris Johnston from Work Visa Lawyers, and today I'm going to tell you about the exciting new Global Talent Independent Program, which is a visa which the Australian government is really heavily promoting and which offers a lot for those that can qualify. The Global Talent Independent Program is a new initiative by the Department of Home Affairs. The aim is to attract highly skilled workers from targeted sectors to the Australian economy. It's a pathway for entrepreneurs and skilled professionals in high-tech industries. The visa is fast-tracked to Australian permanent residency and will be a great visa pathway for high achievers from around the world. The government hopes that the work of these individuals will provide a boost to the Australian economy. The GTI program has a range of benefits, including permanent residency from visa grant, access to healthcare and other government benefits subject to any relevant waiting periods, full ability to work in Australia, no strict points requirements unlike the 189 visa, no high English requirements, only functional English is required, access to the Australian job market in these high growth sectors. Your family can come with you, work and study in Australia. Permanent residents can sponsor their parents for Australian visas. There is no Skilling Australia Fund levy. As Global Talent Independent is not employer sponsored, your Australian employer does not need to pay any costs. As the Skilling Australia Fund levy is a large part of the costs involved in other visa processes, this makes a big difference to these sectors. You do not have to have an employer committed to giving you a job to do this visa. This is why it's called an independent visa. Australia has identified 7 key sectors for this program, which are sectors which the government feels are big growth areas for the Australian economy in the near future. The target sectors are AgTech, FinTech, MedTech, cybersecurity, energy and mining technology, space and advanced manufacturing, and quantum information, advanced digital, data science, and ICT. These sectors are focused on niches of the technology industry, but allow for a range of different talents from those fields. They aren't limited to just technical professions. One of the best things about the Global Talent Program is its flexibility for different skill sets. We can see opportunities in this program for white hat hackers, entrepreneurs with established projects or with new ideas, technology business development professionals, engineers, managers and executives working in both old and new technology. Global talent applicants are required to show that they are highly skilled professionals. This can be measured by being able to earn at least $148,700 or being a recent PhD or master's graduate with high grades. For the salary, you do not need to be earning this salary now. It's more about demonstrating that with the skills that you have, that you could potentially earn that amount in the Australian labour market. For graduates, it's unclear what will fall within high grades. However, the higher your results, the better. You also need to locate an Australian person or organisation who's willing to nominate you for the program. They will need to attest to your high level of skill in your field and provide their support for your application. If possible, this should be the relevant peak body for your field, such as the Space Industry Association of Australia, if you're in the space and advanced manufacturing sector. If you're having difficulty identifying the relevant body, asking the peak body in your profession in your home country would be a good starting place. This application is different to the ordinary Distinguished Talent Visa. The threshold for the traditional Distinguished Talent program was very high. Only the leading experts in their field were eligible. It appears that the GTI program is more open to a range of globally talented professionals. One major perk of the GTI is its very fast processing of applications. While there is not a guaranteed time frame, there are reports of GTI applications processed in a week or less. How do I get one? First, you need to submit an expression of interest through an online form. We can assist you with this. There are 5,000 places available for 1 year, which is a large amount of applications by the Australian Innovation Program standards. However, it's important that you get your expression of interest in fast. There is likely to be a lot of people interested in this program. Not sure it's for you? If the Global Talent Independent sounds like a good opportunity, but you're not sure whether you'll meet the requirements, please feel free to reach out to us at info@workvisalawyers.com.au. If you've enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and the subscribe button so you can see future videos. If you have a comment or query, please leave it in the comment section below. Please feel free to arrange a phone or Skype consultation via our online booking system.